So my name's Anjali and I'm very new to property. You could say I'm a month-old baby in property, but I started at the crash course, went for the £1 one day in Manchester, and I instantly got pulled in and I'd not really put down right moves since then. So yeah, that's what I'm about. To be honest, this week, to be fully honest, it's been overwhelming. It's been lots of information thrown, but at the same time, that's got me more excited. So I was looking at one strategy, but after coming here, I'm like, oh, maybe there's a couple other strategies that I can follow. So honestly, it's opened my horizon, different opportunities, which is quite nice, meaning I don't need to have a lot of money to start, which is quite good. So yeah. So I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I thought, oh, okay, I know this and I'm quite good at doing these deals. But after coming here and seeing it in person, it's much more manageable. It's much more doable. I feel a lot more motivated to be able to do it, to be honest. I think in person just shows you how easy and how anyone can actually do it. So yeah, thank you. So I'm going to be starting with rent to service accommodations just because I think that is the one I've got the most grasp, like knowledge on. But at the same time, BRRs are calling my name and I'm very interested in everything. So I'm still early days, so just exploring my opportunities. So yeah. Yeah, so the PLO deals, Samuel did 20 minutes of just calling estate agents and 22 people managed to potentially get a PLO deal. And I've never seen anything like that before. So that was really encouraging, to be honest. So yeah, just do it. Honestly, I mean, you might fail, but like the one thing I've learned from this thing is failing is good because you can't go any lower. And if you're in a bit of a pickle anyway, you might as well just go to property and you'll never know. So I think my biggest advice would be just do it. You don't know what could happen. So yeah, thank you.